Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Sai On here. I'm from Hyderabad. And I have been in this field last 26 years. So I'm working as a corporate trainer in Cognizant. In some other companies also, I used to take the seminars, workshops on Salesforce last 7 years. I was into different technologies last 26 years, right? But in Salesforce, I was into last 7 years, okay? Sheetal and Sushmita, okay? Fine. Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Sushmita, tell me, what do you think about Salesforce? Any one of you, please unmute, you can talk with me, no problem.
It is a customer relationship management, Sai, and
Okay, it is a CRM. Next. Ethel, what about you? What is your answer about Salesforce?
It is CRM.
You also CRM? Okay,
Yes.
good. I'll tell you what is Salesforce here. So I'm going to write some names on the screen. Please identify those names and tell me what are those. Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, JP, Google. What are all these? Tell me.
Cloud.
Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, SAP, Google. What are all these? These are all companies or not?
Yes.
Okay. Companies. Good. So here you people are working in Capgemini. Some people working in Accenture, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant. Tell me, what are all these? These are also companies, yes or no?
Yes.
What is the difference between these two companies? What is the difference between these two companies, these companies and these companies?
Some are service based.
Yeah, which are service-based companies?
Oh.
These are all service-based companies, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Service-based companies can also be called as development companies, yes or no?
Yes.
What about the other one? These are all vendor companies, or we can call them as product-based companies. Understand? Like that, we have two types of companies in IT industry. The first type of company is vendor company. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. Second type of company can be called as service-based companies. Service-based companies can also be called as development companies. So we have two types of companies in IT industry. Or no? But what is the difference between these two companies? Sushmita, Snehal, Kuldeep, Sheetal, any one of you. What is the difference between these two companies? Hello, guys. Hello, you can talk with me, no problem. Please unmute yourself from your side. Tell me any answer, no issues. What is the difference between these two companies? Okay. Nehal, Sheetal, Kuldeep, Sushmita. Can you hear me or not? Hello guys, can you hear me? Sushmita? Are you there or not? Sheetal? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, sir, you are thinking.
Yeah, respond immediately. I'm asking a question here. What is the difference between vendor companies and service-based companies? Do you know the answer? You don't know the answer. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, if for service based, that will provide software products and services to anyone who ask it for a price or like pricing.
Okay, I will tell you what is the difference between these two companies. Okay.
Yeah.
See guys, vendor companies are those companies, they will develop what? What is this? Software products. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
See guys, vendor companies are product-based companies. These are the companies that are developing what? Software products. Like what? Operating systems, programming languages, and we have some databases, and we have some technologies. Okay, some applications. These are all developed by whom here? Vendor companies. Yes or no? Guys, can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, operating system like what? Windows. Windows is an operating system which is developed by Microsoft company. Yes or no? IBM is the company developed one of the database product names called DB2. Oracle is the company developed Oracle database. Excuse me. Nehal, please mute. Nehal. SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. ABAP is a programming language developed by SAP company. And Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is an application developed by Google company. So according to my explanation, what you understand is vendor companies are those kind of companies. They develop what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, applications. These are all developed by whom here? Vendor companies. Using these products, service-based companies or development companies develops what? Software applications like Capgemini, Accenture, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, okay, Wipro. There are so many companies are there, plenty of companies in the market. These are all service-based companies. All these companies are develops what? Software applications as per the requirement of whom here? Tell me, any one of you. Service-based companies are develops what? Software applications for whom? For whom they will develop? Speak out. For clients, yes or no?
Yes.
So service-based companies are develops what? Software applications as per the client requirements. Who are the clients here? Clients are nothing but business people. Clients are nothing but business people. They will use software applications in their business. For example, we have so many different kinds of businesses in the market, like banking industries. We have something like insurance companies. Okay, we have something like automobile industries. And we have like hospitals. We have education institutes. And we have hotels. Okay, we have something like telecom industries, like different types of business domains in the market. Suppose take the example, banking industry. Banking industry. Suppose take the example of ICICI Bank, HDFC, okay, SBI, State Bank of India. These are all comes under what? Banking industry. Insurance companies. You know about LIC. LIC comes under what? Insurance companies. Automobile industries, Tata, Maruti Suzuki. Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, BMW. So these are all belongs to what? Automobile companies. Hospitals like Apollo. We have care hospitals. Okay, education institutes like JNTU, IGNO, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Hotels like Taj Group of Hotels, telecom industries, Vodafone, Idea, Airtel. So these are all comes under what? Telecom industries. Now tell me, all of you here, service-based companies are those companies that develop software applications as per the requirement of clients, and clients are going to use the software applications in the business. Like that, in total IT industry, we have three important persons are there. The first person is vendor companies like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, SAP. Second company, service-based companies. And third person is clients. I'm going to explain about the relation between all the three people. Vendor companies develops what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages and all. Using those products, these are the companies are developing what? Software applications as per the requirement of, speak out. Speak out, guys. Clients. Yes or no? This is how the whole game is rotating between all the three people. I hope all of you understand all these points. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Snehal, Shiktal, everyone in the class, Kuldeep. Fine. Now, coming back to the point, what is Salesforce here? Salesforce is a vendor company. Just like Microsoft, IBM, Salesforce is also a vendor company. The company name is called Salesforce.com. The short name is called SFDC. SFDC stands for Salesforce.com. The short name is SFDC. Okay. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark Benioff. Mark Benioff is the CEO of the company. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. What is this? Cloud computing. Is anyone here named cloud computing? Nehal, Sheetal, Sushmita, Kuldeep? Any one of you? Oh, guys, can hear me? You can unmute. No problem. You can unmute. You can talk with me. No problem. Sheetal.
I think SAP is a cloud computing.
Yeah, of course. I'm not talking about. Have you heard the name called cloud computing? The word cloud computing.
Some data will be saved and again and again that use that data with the help of cloud.
Okay, I'll explain you. Okay, once again, I'm repeating the points. Salesforce.com is a vendor company, just like Microsoft, IBM, and all. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing here? What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing means it is a concept. Is a concept or it's a technology. In this concept, in this technology, whatever IT services we require, everything will be provided by vendor companies. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. This is the exact meaning of what here? Cloud computing. Once again, I'm repeating, listen carefully, all of you. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. So before I'm going to explain this point, in the traditional system, both clients and development companies they have to upgrade the software. They have to install the software. They have to maintain the software on their own. We understand the point here? In traditional system, both the clients and development companies, I'm not talking about vendor companies here. Both the clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own. They have to maintain the software on their own. For your better understanding, I'm giving a elaborate example so that you can clearly understand this. Listen carefully and try to understand. Suppose I'm a business person. I have a company. My company name is called XYG company. What is the company name here? XYZ company. For this company activities, I need some software application. And I given this project to a company called TCS. Tell me, what is TCS here? TCS is a development company that everybody knows. Or no? And TCS point of view, who is XYZ? XYZ is a client. So here TCS need to develop what? Software application as per the client requirement, XYZ company. If they want to develop the software application as per the XYZ company requirement, they need some programming language or not? Yes or no? And also they need some what? Database. And also they need some what? Operating system. Without programming language, without database, without operating system, no development company can develop application as per the requirement of client. All of you accepted this point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That is very important. Without having these three, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. If they want to develop application as per the client requirement, they need some programming language, they need some database, and also they need some operating system. In this particular example, TCS decided to develop the application using programming language name is called C#. Using C# programming language, TCS is going to develop the application. If they want to develop the application as per the XYZ company requirement, TCS need to buy original licensed software from Microsoft company or not. Because C# programming language developed with which company? Microsoft company. So TCS need to buy original licensed software from Microsoft company. All of you accepted this point? They should not use any pirated software. Clear, all of you? They have to use only licensed software. They need to purchase from whom here? Vendor company Microsoft. Understand everyone? Snehal, Sushmita, everyone in the classroom. Kuldeep, Ramesh. Can hear me, all of you? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
please unmute. You can talk with me, no problem at all. Everybody, please unmute. Understand, Sushmita?
Yes.
Good. And also, they decided to use database Oracle. So they need to purchase or they need to buy original licensed software from which company? Oracle database developed by Oracle company only. Like that operating system, they want to use Windows operating system. Windows operating system developed by Microsoft company. In this particular example, TCS need to buy how many products? C# programming language, Oracle database, Windows operating system from vendor companies. Does anyone know how much cost of original software of C# programming language? Hello guys. Approximately how much? 5 lakhs. Database, approximately 10 lakhs. Original software. This is also approximately 5 lakhs. Now tell me, altogether TCS need to invest how much here?
20.
20 lakhs. So TCS invested 20 lakhs. They bought 3 products from these 3 companies. And using these 3 products, is developed application as per the client requirement. Understand the point clearly? Hello guys.
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow, my company employees are going to use this application. If they want to use this application, okay, they also need C# programming language. They also need what? Oracle database. They also need what? Windows operating system. Without having this product, these 3 products, this application cannot run. That is why client also need to buy or need to purchase all these three products from these three companies. So here also client need to invest how much? 20 lakhs. So,
20.
so 20 lakhs business coming from clients and another 20 lakhs business coming from development company. So approximately how much business? 40 lakhs business coming to whom here? Vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now here I'm asking a question. Is TCS can use C# programming language, Oracle database, Windows operating system lifelong forever and ever? They cannot use. Yes or no?
Yes.
They give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years. After some time, they have to renew the software. They have to update the software because we are in software field. Software versions keep on changing. Yes or no? Hello guys.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
It's not constant. Software versions keep on changing here. Clear all of you? Okay, that is why both the clients and development companies they need to keep on what? Upgrade the software as per the requirement. Whenever they upgrade the software, again they have to install the software and they have to in the software on their own. So in traditional system, both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on maintaining the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance leads to increase the, what is this? Speak out. Leads to increase what? Setup cost. My point is clear now.
Yes, I.
The cost is going to increase like anything day by day for both clients and as well as development companies. To reduce the setup cost, vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything will provide by whom here? Vendor company. That is why once cloud computing come into the market, both the clients and development companies, they no need to upgrade the software, they no need to install the software, and they no need to what? Maintain the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by whom here? Figure out.
Vendor company.
Vendor companies. Whatever services you need, everything provided by vendor company. Clear all of you. And how much services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. This concept name is called pay-per-use model. What is this? Pay-per-use. The name itself implies pay-per-use. How much services we are using?
You need to pay for that only.
For that only have to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra.
Yes.
Concept name is called pay-per-use model, or I can say plug and play model, or I can say IT services on demand model. Understand all of you? For your better understanding about cloud computing, I will give you an example. With this example, you can clearly understand what is the exact meaning of cloud computing here. So let me give a small example about cloud computing. Every day, I want to check my mails, and also I want to take what? Print out. Is all of you understand the point clearly? Every day, I want to check my mails, and also I want to take what? Print out. If I want to check my mails, first of all, I need to buy some laptop. Yes or no? And also, I need to take some printer. I need to buy some stationery. Yes or no? And also I need to buy some, what do you call, I need to take internet connection. Yes or no? Now tell me, approximately laptop cost is how much? 40,000. Printer cost approximately 10,000. Stationery cost around 500. Internet charges every month 1,000 rupees to 1,500. I need to pay. Yes or no? Tell me, approximately I need to spend here about 50 to 60,000 rupees or not?
Yes.
Hello guys.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
So instead of investing unnecessarily 50,000 rupees, simply I'm going to some internet center nearby home or internet cafe or browsing center, whatever it is. There I can check my mails and also I can take the printout from there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, in the internet center, who purchased all the laptops or desktops?
The internet center owner.
Owner. Who buy the printer?
Owner. Internet center owner.
Owner. Who buy the stationery? Who take the internet connection? Everything given by owner. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
As a
Yes.
user, simply I go there. Access the services whatever I want, and I just pay the amount and come back. Yes or no? Suppose if I'm using 30 minutes, I have to pay how much? 20 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm using 1 hour, I have to pay how much? Approximately 40 rupees. Okay. If I'm using 2 hours, I have to pay how much? Approximately 80 rupees. Like that, how much services I'm using, how much amount of time I'm using, for that service only I have to pay. I don't need to pay anything extra. Yes or no? In this example, the way how internet center owner provides all the services to me, in the same way, vendor company also provides all kinds of services to me, whatever I want, and I'm using the services, how much I need, and how to pay the amount, how much I'm servicing using. Yes or no? This is the meaning of what here? Cloud computing. So here also, cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything will provided by home here.
Vendor.
As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. How much services we are using? For that service only we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model. I hope all of you understand the exact meaning of cloud computing. Everyone in the classroom. Snehal, Kuldeep, Ramesh Sarkar, Peetal, Ramnath, Sushmita, everyone in the classroom. Ramesh, can you hear me? My point is clear now, all of you? Oh,
Yes.
so as of now, we discussed about only 2 points, guys. The first point is what is Salesforce? Second point is what is this? Cloud computing. So once again, I'm repeating the points, guys. Listen carefully. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, how much services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. The only thing you require is what? Internet connection. This model can be called as pay-per-use model. I hope all of you understand these 2 points clearly. Yes or no? Hello, guys.
Yes.
Okay, regarding these 2 points, if anybody have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Nehal, Kuldeep, Ramesh, everyone in the classroom. You can unmute, you can talk with me, no problem. Feel free in the class. Nehal. Okay, fine. But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides total 3 types of, what is this? 3 types of what? Services. First service can be called as IaaS. The second service can be called as what? PaaS. Third service name is called what? SaaS or IaaS. IaaS stands for
Infrastructure as a service.
very good. Infrastructure as a service. PaaS
Platform
stands
as
for
a service.
platform as a service.
Software as a service.
Very good. Software as a service or application as a service. Point is clear?
Yes.
Like the 3 types of services provided by vendor company. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss about what is infrastructure as service, what is platform as service, what is software as service. But in your syllabus, coming to your syllabus, in your syllabus, we are going to discuss about 6 modules. How many modules? 6 modules we are going to cover. The first module name is called configuration. Second module is development. The third module is known as integration. Fourth module,
Lighten.
CRM or administration. CRM. The last and final module is what here? Lightning. So total how many? 6 modules we are going to cover. Understand all of you?
Yes.
All these 6 modules takes near about 3 months time, guys. Every day 1 hour, days a week. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So total 6 modules will cover. And one important point I need to tell, maybe some people got it out. Sir, I had some experience or I had some gap. Can I go for Salesforce side or not? Or somebody got another doubt. Sir, is there any programming language out there in this particular course or not? I do not have any programming language knowledge before. Can I understand this course? Like that, you people have plenty of doubts. See, guys, both the freshers and also what is this? Experience. Having the, what is this? Opportunities in what? Salesforce. Clear all of you. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? So both freshers and also experience. And you do not require any programming language knowledge. Understand all of you. You do not require any programming language knowledge. Understand all of you guys? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the 6 modules I'm going to cover. Out of 6 modules, in configuration, completely GUI based. Graphical user interface, You no need to write any program. You no need to write any code. Just drag and drop, point and click. That's it. Okay. Coming to development. Here we need to write some programming. Okay, for this we need to use a programming language now called Apex. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce. So here integration, that is also related to programming. Administration, this is again depending on GUI, graphical user interface. TRM, customer relationship management here, that is also GUI. Lightning part again related to what? Programming. Okay, lightning is compulsory, guys, nowadays. If you have the lightning knowledge, you get the job very easily in the market right now on Salesforce. Okay, so out of 6 modules, 3 parts programming and another 3 modules completely based on UI. So this is the overall syllabus, guys. Okay, you do not require any programming skills. Everything I will be taking care of from scratch. What is language? What is variable? What is token? What is statement? What is program? Everything I'm going to discuss from scratch. It do not require any knowledge. Clear, all of you? So last 40-minute session or 45 minutes of session, we just discussed about only 2 points. What is Salesforce and what is cloud computing? Okay. So from your side, if you have any doubts, you can ask the questions. Any doubts regarding job, regarding any kind of assistance from my side you're expecting, you can ask. And one more important thing, every day we will provide running notes at the end of the session. And also we will provide recordings. And also I will provide some interview questions because I'm the corporate trainer, have so many interview questions. I will provide the interview questions. And also, if you want, I will provide the dumps for certifications. Understand, all of you? Okay. Hello guys, can you hear me or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, respond immediately. Say at least yes or no. Otherwise, I'm confusing whether you hear my voice or not. Geetal, Snehal, Sushmita, Kuldeep, everyone in the class.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can ask the questions, please.
So in
It
GUI, which language is required, like JavaScript, Angular, React?
Nothing is required. Actually, Lightning JavaScript knowledge is required. JavaScript also, I will start from scratch. Understand, Kuldeep?
Okay.
When you enter into Lightning part, you need JavaScript language. That is a JavaScript also we will cover in your syllabus.
Okay, you will cover in this
Lightning part.
Okay, Angular is required.
Angular is not required.
Only JavaScript.
Only JavaScript. JavaScript and JSON. JSON means JavaScript object notation. JSON language. That is also we will cover. Okay.
Okay. And administration part, what is required?
Nothing is required. Everything is GUI part only.
And Apex is what is the programming language? Is this related to Java? Is this related to C Sharp?
That is OOPS
.NET,
language.
what?
Just OOPS language, just like Java one.
Relate to Java.
Yeah.
Okay. And integration means what? Like database?
Yeah, we will discuss about SOAP API, bulk API, REST API, Workbench.
Okay.
Anything else from anybody?
So in Java, so is there AWS? So in Salesforce, what is the cloud computing? Like you are telling cloud computing. So is there move to cloud Salesforce?
Salesforce itself is a cloud technology.
But it also moved to I think some of the person telling
We are working on cloud only. You don't need to install any software here.
Okay.
They are working on cloud only, that day one itself.
Mhm.
You no need to install any software, nothing load within your local machine.
Okay.
Okay, Kuldeep?
Okay.
Okay, anything else from anybody? Still? Nehal, Sheetal, Shushmita.
And so it is good to move on Salesforce, means
And I can
Java
tell
to Salesforce.
everybody, please listen carefully. For Java people, it is very easy to understand. You'll get the job easily. And Sheetal, one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time. Everybody should listen carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here. Down the line, next 8 to 10 years, I'm talking. Next 8 to 10 years, Salesforce is the number one in the market. By 2021, sorry, by 2022, ending, Salesforce need 1.1 million developers. That much of huge requirement is there on Salesforce. If you do not believe my words, you please go to the YouTube, this particular video. Everybody, please look at the screen and try to understand here. If you have the free time, please go through this video. I'm not boasting about Salesforce here. This is the fact. If you have the free time, please go through this video, the YouTube. Plenty of jobs on Salesforce. And that too, most important point, you'll get more salary on Salesforce comparatively other technologies. Understand, Sheetal, Snehal, everyone?
Yes.
Why YouTube is not opening here?
Like how much we can get, like 10-year experience?
Definitely can expect 20-30% variation, salary variation between Java developer and developer, between .NET developer and Salesforce developer, between Python developer and Salesforce developer. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
And look at this. Salesforce Sunil Jose. Sunil Jose Salesforce. Type this. Sunil Jose Salesforce. Okay. He is the vice president. Is everyone can view the video?
Yes, Sai. Yes.
What is this, Sunil Jose?
Helping today.
Okay, guys, please go through this video. You can understand the the revolution on Salesforce, guys. Okay, and one more video here.
Okay.
Salesforce tour, New York opening keynote with Mark Benioff. He is the CEO of the company. He is the CEO of the company here. Mark Benioff, CEO and Chairman, Salesforce. Look at the screen here. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
So please go through this video, guys. Sunil Jose is the Vice President. So once you gone through that video, you can come across to know that the career in Salesforce, guys. Okay. I hope you understand this, all of you.
Yes.
Sheetal, Avinash. Avinash,
Yes. Yes.
Avinash, you already attended the classes, na? At 8 o'clock?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or you're not attending initial classes or what?
Yes, sir. I have not attended in initial classes, but joined later.
No problem, no problem. You came at night 8 o'clock or morning 8 o'clock?
Night.
7 o'clock?
Yes, sir. 7 o'clock batch.
Oh, fine. How you feel about the sessions, Avinash?
Sessions are good, sir. Easily understandable.
Very good.
And
very
your one-to-one communication is well, very well.
Oh, good, Avinash. You are from which place?
From
Odisha?
Odisha.
Odisha?
From
Okay.
Odisha.
I know, I understand. This is your name. Okay, Avinash. See, guys, Avinash is my old student. He's attending 7 o'clock batch night. Okay. You can ask him about the sessions and all. You can ask the feedback. Okay. Rest of the people. Avinash, you can tell.
Yes, sir.
How you feel about the sessions? Understand?
Yes, sir. I will elaborate them.
Okay, guys, all of you. Any doubts? You can ask the questions, please.
Are you only online class going there only, or offline also is there?
No, Sushmita, only online.
Okay.
I think online is better, Sushmita. Where are you staying in Hyderabad?
Housing board.
Kukatpalli.
Yes, yes.
So every day you need to commute from Kukatpalli to Amirpet. Huh? Instead of
Yes.
that, you can listen to class from your home only.
For online, I'm not interested that much. That's why.
Why? Either,
Why?
either online and offline, subject is same. You can interact with me. You can ping me if you have any doubt. You can message me. I'll clarify your doubts.
Yes, but I'm a homemaker. That's why.
That's why you're a homemaker. That is very beneficial for you. Understand?
Yeah.
If you come to Amirpet, again, you have to at least 3 to 4 hours time you have to spend, apart from the class. Yes or no? Every day you have to commute from Amirpet to Kukatpalli to Amirpet.
Yeah.
It's just only 1 hour session, but you have to spend almost 3 to 4 hours per day for 1 hour class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Unless you're wasting of time.
Yeah.
Clear all of you guys? Sushmita, understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
First of all, how you feel about the session? All of you understand the class?
Yes, it's very
Yes.
good. And I'm interested to attend your sessions also.
Okay. And one more important thing, guys, you can listen my classes in YouTube also. Some of the recordings are available in the YouTube. Okay, you can type in the YouTube Salesforce by Sai, DURGASOFT.
With your name,
Sorry?
what can I search in YouTube?
Salesforce by Sai, DURGASOFT, Salesforce by Sai. DURGASOFT,
Just a
Salesforce by
minute.
Sai. See here. I'll show you. DURGASOFT, Salesforce by Sai.
all the recording is there,
Not all
or
the
is the
recordings, very few recordings
randomly?
randomly.
Mhm.
Okay, these are all my recordings only. If you have the free time, you can go through.
If all recording is there, so I don't need to pay to DurgaSoft. So how can I get your number?
You want my number? You can message me 95534
Can
95532.
drop you.
This is my
Just
number.
a minute.
You can message me. Don't call me. Okay. Generally, I do not get the phone.
3, 4,
95534 95532.
955.
You can easily remember my name, number. It look like a call center number only. 95534 95532.
Mhm.
Raghuramaya. I think he is also attending night 7 o'clock there. Yes or no, Raghuramaya?
Sir, 1 second, repeat, sir.
I think you are also attending night 7 o'clock batch.
Yes, sir, I will, sir. Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, guys, I'll catch you next time. I
Okay,
hope.
thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kuldeep, how do you
So,
feel about the session?
When, yeah, this is good. And when you will
Hello?
start
Yeah,
like session?
the batch is going to start morning 9 o'clock. 9 to 10. Okay.
What time?
May 9th. May 9th, 9 to 10 morning. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Understand all of you? Sushmita, Snehal, morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. May 9th is going to start.
How much we need to charge for this training?
Sorry, come again.
How much we need to charge for this training?
The fees cost. The fees,
yes,
huh?
yes.
I think 7K.
Okay.
Hey, is there like I think a 5K?
That is long back, Kuldeep. Actual cost is 25,000. Kuldeep, actual cost is 25,000. Only DURGASOFT people reduce the price like this. Because it's 3 months course, 6 modules we need to cover.
Okay.
Okay. Regarding fees, please ask to
5
the
मिनट में कर रहे हैं 5 मिनट में
Hello guys,
5 मिनट में 5 मिनट कर रहे हैं
regarding fees, please ask to the Durga management. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
May 9th morning, 9 o'clock, batch is going to start. New batch. You can attend. Okay, Sushmita?
Yes, sure.
Well,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.